Is your HyperX Cloud Stinger mic not working? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I will show you the three main reasons this happens and exactly how to fix it. Usually, the issue comes down to one of three things. First of all, connection problems, loose or faulty cables, mic not set as default, wrong input device, selected outdated audio drivers, causing compatibility issues. First of all, check every physical connection, your microphone jack, audio ports, and any extension cables. Make sure they are firmly plugged in and clean the ports if needed. Next, open your control panel, then select hardware and sound, then again sound settings. Go to the recording tab, right click and select show disabled devices. Find your HyperX Cloud Stinger mic, enable it and set it as the default input device. Finally, update your audio drivers. In Device Manager, click Start menu, right click on Start menu, find your microphone, go to the driver tab and click Update Drivers or Update. This obtain fixes compatibility issues instantly, and that's it. Check connections, set your mic as default, and update your drivers. Your HyperX Cloud Stinger mic should now be working perfectly.